friends, once again I'm here in front of you Navendu Sharma with a new topic. So आज का हमारा topic है basic bowling action. So I'll tell you the steps of the basic bowling action step by step. So first number पे हमारा आता है the most important for bowling, for any type of bowling, is how to hold a ball. Grip is the main point, the first step for the bowling. So for fast bowling, both the fingers should be at the edge of the seam. ये दोनों fingers seam के side में रहेंगी, बीच में दोनों fingers के there should be a bit of gap. वो gap से you'll have a proper firm grip. And second most important point is your palm. Your palm should never touch the ball. If it touches, then you lose the control over the ball. Your accuracy will not be there. And now we'll come on the run up. That is the second part, second step for the bowling. Run up should be very good, very smooth, and there should be momentum in the run up. तभी आप अपनी force gather कर सकते हैं. The run up should be like that you gather the maximum ground reactional forces from the ground. और वो forces gather करने के लिए जो हमको running है हमारी वो proper करनी होती है. With the arms close to the body, ये movement रहेगी in the run up. Not like this, and your run up should be smooth. And then it comes on your lower part, heels. You should not run on your heels. You should always run on your balls of the feet. Balls of the feet is just here. This is the balls of the feet, not on the heels. If you run on the heels, you will lose all the gathered forces, and ultimately you won't bowl so quick or with full energy. So now we'll come to the third step, that is gathering phase. We also call it as winding, coiling of the body parts. So in this phase, the most important thing is to bring the all body parts which are movable close to the body, like your arms, your legs, your non-bowling arm, bowling arm, your knees should be close to the body, to the center of the gravity of the body, like this. This is the proper gathering for the fast bowler, and for spinner I'll tell you later. Gathering phase will always be in the air. हवा में होती है gathering phase. We make this position in the air, not on the ground. And after this position, the fourth step comes, that is delivery stride. Delivery stride is one of the most important step in bowling. Your delivery stride should be always balanced. You have a balanced delivery stride for a proper accuracy of the bowling. Delivery stride should not be too long or too short. It should be optimum according to the height of the bowlers, or maybe for spinner it is different and for fast bowler it is different. Body should be properly aligned in the gathering phase for a proper delivery stride. So now we'll come to the last step of the bowling, that is follow through. Follow through should always be there in any type of bowling, either it is fast bowling or it is spin bowling. In follow through, we absorb the gathered force. जो हमने पीछे से जितनी भी हमने force generate करी है, and then we have applied in our bowling, we have released all the force, maximum force in the bowling, and the remaining force which has left in our body, we have to absorb that force. If follow through is not there, then there is a high chance of getting injuries in the body. This is most important for fast bowlers because they generate a high amount of force in their run up and at their delivery stride. So to absorb it, we need a proper follow through. So it should be always out of the danger area. The body should going away from the danger area, not into it.
Thank you, and please like, share and subscribe.